Hello, it's Amanda from Foot Forward Shoes. Have you noticed that sometimes when you unwrap your Doc Martens that sometimes the tongue leans over to one side? This is just the way it's been packed and the way it's been shipped and the way it's got the paper behind it. It just makes it sort of lean to one side. It is only a temporary thing. I've unlaced the lace here just to show you that we can open it up and see how it's cut. So when putting the boots on, you just need to push down your finger on the side that is opposite to the way that it's going and push down like that and make sure that it is smooth across the top here, and that should be good to go. Once that's pushed down and laced up, then the tongue will be in the correct position. You don't need to have it unlaced to do this. I have done it in my past quite easily on the smooth leather and the nappa leather as well. It's just a matter of putting your finger in here, making sure that it is tucked down, and then tightening up the laces. So when the boot's on the foot, we just tighten that down, push your finger down and go like that, and lace up the boots, and it will be straighter. It may take a couple of times to get it right, simply because there's a memory effect in the leather, just because it's been in the box that way and has moved over the side. And away we go, and there it's flat across there and all up in alignment. I hope that helps you along and solves the problem of what happens when the tongue is on an angle when you get them out of the box. It's just one of those things. Thanks, bye.